As an addendum to the Illustrator intro video, I just wanted to show you one other basic concept of Adobe Illustrator, which is that you can actually take different items on the stage, which are separate and unto themselves, and do a feature called grouping, which puts them together as, just as the expression says, it groups them. So let's say I want to put Word on top of this box, and I want this circle to be associated with the box as well. Right now, if I grab each item, they highlight separately. And the only way I can move them around together is to highlight all of them together by dragging across them all or shift clicking each item, then moving it around the stage. But if I know that these are to be, grouped, finished as a sub part of my illustration, I'll highlight all of them, go to Object, select Group, or Command G. Now when I deselect by clicking away, when I go back and select, it all highlights as a group, and then I can just move it around, or in fact distort the size, shape, and position. As you can see here. Now if I want to undo that, if I want to break the group apart, I highlight it again, I go Object, Ungroup, which is Command Shift G, ungroup. Now if I deselect and go back in, each item is on its own. Again, I'll group these two green items together by shift clicking, Object, Group. If I click away and go back and select them, you can see here that they remain a group. Now whenever you have the group together, and let's say you want to go in and manipulate one of the elements, you don't need to ungroup it. You can actually go in and use your direct select tool and then just select the object by itself and then remanipulate it any way you want. I'm clicking in the middle on the fill area. Let's say I want to reposition this. There we go. I'll click away, go back to my selection tool. It still remains a group. So once again, if you want to go in, work objects within the group, use your direct select tool. It's best to deselect if it's already selected, then go in and select the unique item. And again, you can go in with your shift key and do multiple selections like they were never grouped. Then when I deselect, then go back and select, the whole item appears as a group. And that's how you group and ungroup in Adobe Illustrator.